Hi friends, today we are at 3105 Marston Drive in Lorena, Texas. This home is 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's got a second story bonus space and a first floor primary bedroom and a 3-car garage. So much to see. Let's check it out. As we enter, we have a large entry space, perfect spot for your entryway table. During Christmas, I could see our Christmas tree right there. We've got a coat closet right off the entry and a half bath right here. We'll head into the living room. We have this large living room space with several locations. You could put your TV and entertainment center. We have it open to our kitchen and dining space with this beautiful subway tile backsplash. Off of the kitchen, we've got a large pantry and a laundry space that's separate with a door closing it from everything and access to the 3-car garage. Let's head to the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom is so spacious, but it has this extra bonus sitting space. Could be a nursery if we're in that phase of life, or just a quiet space for mom to get away. Head over to the primary bathroom. We do have dual sinks, a separate tub and a standalone shower, a potty closet, and a walk-in closet. Great space in here, so functional. Let's head upstairs. Heading upstairs, I just want to note this beautiful staircase with this wood banister, curves around. It has 2 landings. So pretty up here. Up on the second story, we have this bonus living space. It could be a playroom, office space if you need it. So much functionality in this large area. Off of this bonus space, we have our first guest bedroom. So spacious, big closets, and slightly isolated from the other guest bedrooms that are over here off of this hallway. So guest bedroom number 2. And down this hallway, we have guest bedrooms number 3 and 4. All of these are so spacious, perfect for kids and guests. And we do have our full guest bathroom here with the tub shower combo, single sink, so spacious in there, perfect for everyone. We've got 2 storage closets out here for linen and games and whatever else you need up here. So lots of space, lots of storage. Let's head outside. Let's take a look outside. We'll head onto this back patio. It is covered and has an additional screen that can be pulled down to give you some afternoon shade. We've got several crepe myrtles and new plants that are thriving out here. It's a fully fenced yard. Perfect for evenings and weekends and afternoons, whatever you want to do outside. If you liked this video, let us know in the comments. If you want to see more like this, like, subscribe. See you next time.